Today we are going to create an animal using shapes in Word. When you get your document, you will actually I'm not going to tell you what you're going to make yet. But for today's purposes, I'm going to be making you a dog. So if you would like to follow along with your own Microsoft Word document, you may open and follow along with me. So the first thing that we're going to do is I opened up a brand new document and I'm going to click over here on Page Layout, and I want to change the orientation to landscape. Just gives me a nice little field to play with here. All right, then the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to start by creating the body of the puppy or the dog. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to Insert, click on Insert. Then we're going to go over here to Shapes, click on Shapes. Then we're going to use the basic shapes right in here. Now, I was thinking earlier, as you can see, if you hover over each of these, it tells you what kind of shape it is. There's an oval, here's a teardrop, here's a chord, and then a donut. Also, here's a L shape, a cross. So, I think my doggie's going to have pointed ears. So I'm going to click on the isosceles triangle. And as you can see, it gives me a cross symbol to wherever I'm going to start it. And so, let's see. I'm going to make a nice doggie right here. Oh, that's probably too big. Maybe a little thinner. Once I let go of, after I left click and hold it and drag it to where I want, then I'm going to kind of turn the ears a little bit like this. I can adjust where I want them. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click on it with my left finger, left click, and then I'm going to right click and that will open up right here. And I want to copy one of those so that I can make the exact same size. And then I'm going to paste it. So now then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to actually turn it so that it's facing the other way because my doggie needs some ears. Kind of looking like a cat, isn't it? So maybe I need to make it less pointed. So I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. Yeah, that does change the size on it. So now I'm just going to have to eye it. Whoopsie daisy, too thin. All right, maybe that's still looking like a cat. I'd have to add something else to the top to make it a little different. So let's go up here to our basic insert again, and then our shapes. And then we'll go to basic shapes again. And this time I'm going to add a chord. Okay. That'll give me the nice little flap at the top. So I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to turn it. Because puppy dogs kind of have floppy ears sometimes, don't they? Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, oops, let's make that down a little bit, go like this. That's not bad. Now it's kind of looking like a bunny rabbit though, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to copy that, put that over here, bring it over here like this. Maybe he needs to be a little bit more floppier, I don't know. Let's try it like this. Okay. So now that we have our ears done, we're going to do a face. So let's go over here and see what kind of shape we need for a face for a dog. Basic shape. I kind of think an oval shape would be good. So I'm going to make a nice big oval right like this. We're going to move this right over here like this. Oh, isn't that a cute puppy dog? I need to move this guy forward though, just a little bit. Kind of looking like a bunny rabbit still. But anyways, maybe we should make it a little longer of a face. I don't know. All right, you guys are probably better artists than I am on this, so you'll probably do a better job. Anyway, so next we're going to add, let's say I want to change the color of this. I can right click and let's change the fill color. Let's say I want a little, I want to do more of a brown puppy. Well, that's kind of orange. Here's a brown. No, that's kind of, I don't know what color. That looks like a sick puppy, let me tell you. Okay, let's go to more fill colors. Probably in this range. No, darker. Let's go about here. Maybe a little too dark for my There we go. Okay, let's click OK on that. All right. Now, next thing that I want to do, oh, I should probably change these colors too. I'm going to do the same color. And fill for this one. Recent, right there. Okay. Oops, hey, get back on there. Fill. All right, now, and then you can go ahead and change the other ones too. Maybe I want to make it a white and a brown dog or something like that. And, oops, no. And then right here. Okay, so now I have my nice white and brown puppy. All right, next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to insert, I'm going to make his eyes. So we're going to go to shapes and we can just use the basic circle here. Okay, and then I'm going to make my color, I'm going to actually make this nice and white like I had before. Click on my, oopsie daisy, I clicked no fill, didn't I? I'm going to go up here to the white one. And then I'm going to copy this, copy, paste, bring this guy over here, and I'll make this a little smaller because I'm going to make one of those dogs, you know, have you ever seen where they have a bigger white spot on their, for their eye? That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so we're going to add another circle in here, and then I'm going to make this black though, because this will be the pupil. Fill, black, and then I'm going to copy this again, copy so I can have another one, paste, it goes up there, bring it right in there. Okay, so far he's kind of looking cute, isn't he? Now for a nose, I think I'm going to make kind of a triangle nose, so we're going to insert, shape, and I'm going to look for the triangle, the isosceles triangle for a nose. And I actually am going to flip the nose so that it looks like, oh, that looks like a bunny rabbit. Maybe I should keep it like this. No, I don't know. All right, we'll try it this way. Okay, and I'm going to make this black because I like the black color there. I think it'll pop a little bit more. There, it's looking kind of cute there. All right, now, next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the shape, and let me see, what else should we add here? I'm going to do some lines for his whiskers. Okay, and then let's do, oh, I can make copies of that, could I? Well, first of all, I'm going to change the color of it. Instead of being the blue, I'm going to change the outline to a black. There we go. It'll look a little bit better. Oh, you know what? They have little dots sometimes for their freckles or whatever you call those things that are by the whiskers. So we're going to insert, whoops, not that one. Insert, I'll put a little circles in there. One. That guy's really small, isn't he? I'm going to fill that as black. Okay, and then I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste. Whoops, where's my paste? Paste. I'm going to do some more paste. 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 Alright, so there's my little tiny dots. I'm going to grab them, put like a couple here, and grab this one, put it here, grab this one. Ooh, not what I wanted. Keep that guy small. Okay, and then I'm going to grab it. Come on. Come on, little guy, you can do it. Alright, he doesn't want to come. Put this guy over here. Okay, so then what you can do is, let's go to insert again. And the next thing that we're going to do is you can add the body. You can make some feet for him. You can even make a tail going, up over here or something like that. You can add any other features to your puppy that you want to. You can, make a mouth. try to, you're going to try, and then after this is done, you could even try and make another puppy dog and see what kind of shapes that you can make with them too. So I'm going to stop here. I think that's enough demonstration for you that you can get started on your own.